Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Little. I'm back today for another video, and let me get my glue real quick because I'm going to be making a butter slime and showing you how to make it. So yeah, here's the glue brand I use. I use Elmer's School Glue. It's non-toxic. It's the #1 teacher brand too. So yeah. Okay. Ew, there's something in my bowl, like cat hair or something. Ugh. Ew. There we go. Okay, let me pour my glue in. Okay, that's enough. And you know, I just added about this much. Oops, there's stuff dripping from it. Okay, I didn't realize you guys couldn't see. I'm just gonna start mixing it. Where's my activator? Here it is. Don't have a lot left. Okay, there we go. God. So, there's nothing special about my borax. It's the same measurements as almost every other YouTuber. About every other YouTuber, it's starting to stretch. Here we go. It's gonna be a little sticky. So yeah. If you're wondering why you guys can only see my face, like parts of me, that's because I'm kneeling down. Okay, let me get back. Oh, let me stand up. Okay, here's the slime. It's a bit overactivated, but I don't really have a problem with that because it's really thick, so it's going to be harder to stretch anyway. I really like it. It's super duper stretchy. It does make really good clicks. It's not popping right now because I didn't make a bubble or anything like that with it, but it's a really nice slime. I wish I had pigment and all that, but your girl broke, so yeah. Let me start. I'll do the poke test. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm really sorry if you can't. But yeah. Near the bottom. Ew, the bottom of the container is super wet. Ew. Why is it wet? Okay, here we go. And I'm thinking whether I should make I wonder if I should make like a Sunset Dream slime out of it, or like purple cotton candy. So yeah, let me think about that really quickly. I'm looking at my clays right now if you guys are wondering what's going on. So I think I'm going to go with Sunset Dream. So yeah, let me just split this in half like that. This one has a little bit more. Okay, now it's like a closer thing. Okay, there we go. Let me put this one. I'm going to be starting on the yellow-orange part of it first. It's going to be yellow and orange, but it's going to be yellow and red, but it's going to have like some hints of orange because they're going to start mixing. I know most people, I'm using Model Magic clay, most people like Daiso clay better than Model Magic clay, but I find Model Magic to be much better for me. And I don't like to add a lot of it in, although most people add like the whole blocks of Daiso in. I only add like handfuls of Model Magic. But I really only like to add like a pinch or so, maybe a spoon of it, because, yeah. Okay, now we're going to be doing shout-outs. My first shout-out is going to go to We Are the Reeves TV, because I know she's an active watcher. She's probably a big fan, but she watches my videos a lot. And if you're wondering how do I know it's a girl, it's because I've actually watched a couple of her videos. So yeah. So this is how it's turning out so far. It's a bit hard, but we'll fix that. You see, I have these sit and I don't really touch them for a while, so it's kind of good, I guess, in a way. Here's the yellow one, and that light's killing me right now. Okay, here's the yellow one. Hope you guys can see that a bit better now. Now let me get the one that's going to be nominated to turn into the red one. The red one, actually. Did I say red? Okay, I'm sorry if I already said red, but yeah. So the red one, every time I seem to get red Metal Magic Clay, to me it always feels closer to slime than the rest of the clay. It's like it feels the most like slime. Yeah, I'm going to be making cotton candy one too. In the next video, I want to get this video to 5 likes. Can we get 5 likes? And then I'll do that video. And 5 views. 5 likes and 5 views. So, okay, let me add that in. It's probably a lot. I've been playing with this for so long. I feel like I added way too much. But hopefully it doesn't turn like too red, but hopefully it doesn't stay like too pink. If you know what I mean. Like I want it to be red, but I don't want it to be like blood red, but I don't want it to be like princess pink. I'm sure it's going to turn pink now that I just said I don't want it to turn pink. Because I have terrible luck. Yeah, I can already tell it's turning like a really hot pink. Oh god. I guess that's what I get for asking for it to not be pink. It turns pink. Okay, I'm just going to be mixing this. I gotta stand up real quick because my leg really hurts. Also, if I ever get famous, I'm gonna try to stop the hate on Justamira for having her voice go really fast. Like, it's a choice. It is a true choice. Like, I can go fast like Jojo Siwa and Justamira if I wanted to. It's a choice. So don't be going over and saying, it's a choice, Justamira. Little Muffin Lab said it because then she's going to think I'm a hater. Like, I really, really love her videos. I'm at 7 minutes right now, so I'm going to have to stop really soon. So, let me just get these into their container. And yeah. Oh my god, where is the flipping container right now? I guess I'll have to do it in a different container. I wanted to do it in... Yeah, this container is kind of dirty. Like, it still has glue residue in it. I hope YouTube doesn't get mad at me for going over 8 minutes, because I'm not a famous channel, so I only have 8 minutes to record. Phew. Here's the red one. I'm just going to be throwing tiny bits of them in, like, at a time. Like, you can go there. Gotta hurry up this, because YouTube's going to kill me if I get into, like, 10 minutes. Boom, there. Yeah, maybe I'll just mark all the yellow spots and then mark all the red spots. Nah, I like to be untidy. Boom, yellow goes on that side. Yellow goes here. Next to the red. Now red's gonna pop up somewhere. Into the, you know, I'm just gonna throw them into it. That was right there. Oh no, that's still the clay. I thought that was part of the slime. Gosh. That was there. This can go here. This goes there. Can go there. Gonna start getting there. Oh god, it's almost at 10 minutes. Okay, so I don't know if anyone here has a YouTube channel, but if you do, you'll know the struggle of keeping it at 8 minutes because YouTube won't kill you. Yeah. It struggles. I'm sorry if YouTube takes that as like an offense or something, and like makes me like have to quit. Oh my god, it's 10 minutes. Are you kidding me? Look, get one like a real thin line. Oh my god, it's at freaking 10 minutes. Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna flatten this up and show you guys what the, oh my god, ew. Why is this container so freaking dirty? And here's the bottom of it. It looks really cool. At least I think it does. I kind of threw the pieces down at the top. The top doesn't look as nice, but yeah. Woohoo, I finished. Bye guys. Make sure to comment down below if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and bye.